Hi everyone, I'm Nicole from the Urban Scrapbook. Today our project is going to be an altered ancestors tin. These tins are made using Altoid tins, and all we have done is distress the edges with alcohol ink. I've created graphics and pictures specifically for this collection, and your little tin is full of cards. You can put your pictures of your family or your parents, or your grandparents, things that are important. There's all sorts of little cards. You can add feathers. We have like a little map book in here. This is also included in your kit. And each of these cards is separate, and you just cut them apart as you choose, using buttons and little extra things that you might have on your little stash is always good. So your kits come with your main page that you cut out. It comes with some ephemera, buttons, lots of little pieces of like just bits and bobs, tags, tea bags, your decorative pages. This page is printed on cotton paper, which is just a beautiful paper to work with. And just more cards, and then a plain cardstock, and this color is called lamb's ear. One of the other things in this kit is your little marriage certificate book. These file folders are actually vintage, and so I don't have a lot of them left, but there's little, each kit will have one of these plus your little doer-upper thing. And inside here is a certificate registry of marriage. So I'll quickly show you how you put this one together. You just cut it out, ink your edges, fold it in to fit your little piece of file folder here. When you glue these together, or I'm sorry, when you attach them, you're going to poke them in the middle, put your brad through, but leave a space between the two holes, because then when you glue this on, you can then tie your string around in between that gap. And then that way you don't have a mark on this side. There's other things that you can keep adding. If you find bird's feathers out in the field or wherever, those are always good things to keep. You can add buttons and lines. Your kits do come with a lot of little ephemera pieces, so you can add these onto your pages for interest. There are photo cards. I do recommend, if you can, to put someone's name on there. These cards are, I just took pictures and I cut them to size and put them in. You can also use tea bags, because tea bags create a really nice dimension on these cards, and they can get put on to create like a background. If you're have some pictures that maybe you've printed on vellum, or just need a little bit more dimension, you can always use tea bags. We also have included a ring in your kit, and these are just like a keychain ring. I chose to put a picture of my mom in there and use Nouveau crystal glaze over top of it. In your kits, you get two little templates, and so you can cut these out and just put it on there, punch a hole, and away you go. You're ready to go. I hope you enjoy making your ancestors tin. I really do think that it's quite a special and unique project. Until later, take care, and I'm Nicole.